Welcome back to another episode of the Gentleman's Motor Racing Team. And yeah, we're still working on the Rally Mini. I won't be doing this though, but I will be working on the floor. Run VT! I think just in case, I'll give the floor a bit of a wipe over with some Q-Rust. belt and braces type stuff. God, this floor has seen some action. It's good. I like history in a car. I've said it before, I'll say it again. As much as show and shine cars are, you know, kind of get bored with them after a while because they all look the same. I like the minis in the car park, the ones that are all beat to crap and got lots of history just to keep them on the road. I'm not going to mask any of this up because, well, and I'm just going to paint over it with a paintbrush afterwards. Concourse guys are going to love this. Actually, I was looking at a guy who was building a rally Mark 1 Escort, not one of the lads that I rally with, but he just finished it, and when he restored it, he was very careful and tried not to disturb the original seam sealer that was put on in the factory, because I don't think they used this. I think it was just done with a brush, and they'd go and make a, you know, basically what I'm doing, a real sort of splatty job. And apparently they get really excited about that, because when you restore a car, you remove that. And so if you see a Mark 1 Escort that's got that splatty seam sealer on it, they get really excited because they go, oh look, some guy back in 1974 or whatever, I don't know when the Escorts started, they started making them, doing that, and that's the original seam sealant. Anyway, concourse guys and girls, they're individuals. Oh no, they're not. We're all individuals. I'm not. What film's that from? Morning. Well, that's dried. That's good stuff, isn't it? I wonder if you could like coat the whole bottom of your car in seam sealer. It just seems really good protection. Not that I would do that, but right, let's mask this up before I have to go to work. it's all masked up. If this is stuff as good as everyone's telling me it is, I really don't want any overspray on bits that I want to paint later on. So it's taken a lot longer than I expected, but never mind. Right. Well, I'm super pleased with this. It's amazing. And these little nuts and bolts I put in, hopefully. There we go, look. Nice clean threads. Phew! I used 3 bottles of Raptor Coat. Really pleased with it. I've got a 4th one, but I'm going to use that for doing the inner front wings when the front end's on, and also for touching up other bits. But I'm so pleased with it, I'm going to go and buy another box and see if I can Raptor Coat some other stuff. Maybe like a subframe, or I don't know. Yeah, my new favourite stuff, that's for sure.